Hi friends, I'm Anna Helman, and today I want to share a quick tip for what to do when your trimmer blade isn't cutting quite as well as it used to. There is a great way to sharpen it. Let's take a look at it. I'm going to give my trimmer blade a good test right here. I have 3 layers of cardstock stacked on top. Sometimes I cut through multiple layers at the same time just to save on cuts and time. And it did cut through all 3 layers. It did not shred it or fray it, but it was definitely difficult to get through those. So here's what we are going to do to sharpen this blade up. I have a piece of foil. I already folded it in half, and I'm going to fold it a couple more times. We'll fold this in thirds. So I am cutting through, I believe, 6 layers of thickness here. So I'm just going to lay this on my trimmer. We're going to cut through this several times. And I can definitely tell as I'm doing that, it's definitely doing something with the blade. Now, if you cut up and down, you may want to sharpen both directions. What I find is I cut down a lot more often, so this is the way I need to sharpen mine the most. So I am just going to cut from top to bottom several times. We'll do this 2 more times. And then we are going to test it out and see how she does. Okay, now I'm going to put my cardstock back on. Let's try this out again. My 3 layers of thickness. Cut through, see how it does. It cut well, and I believe it cut through a little bit easier. Let's try this again because I had been noticing it's starting to fray just a little bit sometimes when I was cutting, and it seems like she is doing great now. So I hope this tip helps you. I will mention quickly, I get a lot of questions about the lines on my trimmer. I put these on here to make it easier to cut card bases and card mats without having to do any measuring. I can just look at my color code. If you want details on that, I'll have the link in the video description below, as well as a link for my trimmer. If you are interested in a new trimmer that you would love, take a look in the video description below. Thanks so much for being here today. I appreciate you watching along. Please like and subscribe, sign up, hit the bell for notifications, and comment below. All of these things help other people find my videos as well. I truly appreciate you, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.